My name is Carlos. I'm a junior at Beaumont College. People call me Pig Farm because I love pigs and I want to have a farm with a lot of pigs. My dad died when I was young, so my mom takes care of me. She can be annoying sometimes. Now listen, this is my story. Hi, I'm Carlos, but you can call me Pig Farm.
Hi, Pig Farm. I'm Megan.
Megan was my only friend at that moment. But that's before I became popular. At the beginning, nobody wanted to be my friend. Everyone was bullying me because I was different.
Losers!
One day I was playing games on my cell phone when I heard a girl screaming her heart out.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Thank you for saving me. What can I do for you?
Make me
Are you the pig farm?
Heard you wanted to be popular. We might have something for you.
These guys gave me a special delivery, lavender bath salt. I had to deliver them to a guy. I didn't know his name or even where he lived, but I had a picture of him. I need to find him. I need to be popular. I looked everywhere. I couldn't find this man. I heard they called him PY the Terror.
I went shopping the other day and I found something that was really pretty. Oh my god, you're so soft. Thank you.
I suffered so much in the past 2 years, but I won't change anything from the past. You see, I was a normal teenager like you, who suffered of impopularity. Then, like you, I became popular, but I didn't like it. Don't make that mistake.
Leave me alone, crazy woman! I make my own decision and I choose to be popular!
As you wish, but I warn you!
I was so close to my goal, so I continued to search PY. Then I found him. PY the Terror.
Thank you.
And at that moment, I swear I was popular.
I'm on your side to pray. I'm on your side to stay afloat. But when you're turning toxic, I don't know who you are. I'm on your side to ride. I'm on your side to fight.
Oh my god, je vais pas être entre les filles. Qu'est-ce qui arrive, Sarah?